Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to lock transactions in Zoho Books. This is essential for protecting your financial data and ensuring that past transactions can't be accidentally modified or deleted, especially during audits or after closing periods. First, you'll need to head over to the Zoho Books website. Open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/books, then log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard with all your financial tools ready to use. Now look to the left sidebar where you'll find various tabs for managing different aspects of your books. Click on the Accountant tab. This is where all the powerful accounting features live, including the transaction locking tool we're about to use. This feature gives you control over which transactions can be edited and which ones are locked down for security. From the Accountant menu, select Transaction Locking. This opens up the interface where you can protect your data by setting specific lock dates for different modules. You'll see a list of modules like sales, purchases, banking, and accounts, each with their own lock option. To lock transactions in specific modules, simply click the lock button next to the modules you want to secure. For example, if you want to lock all sales transactions up to a certain date, click the lock button next to sales. You can do this for multiple modules, depending on which areas of your books you want to protect. Next, you'll need to select the lock date. This is the date before which all transactions will be locked, meaning they can't be edited or deleted. Choose your date carefully. This is typically the end of a fiscal period or the date when you completed your last audit. Anything before this date becomes locked. Now enter a reason for locking the transactions. This is important for record keeping and helps other team members understand why certain transactions are locked. You might write something like end of Q4 2024 inches or post-audit lock. Finally, click the lock button to finalize the locking for those modules. Once you do this, all transactions before your selected lock date in those modules are now protected from any changes. And that's it. You've successfully locked your transactions in Zoho Books, protecting your financial data from unauthorized changes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.